So, oh, Mama, you're supposed to stay in, but that's okay. She'll go back. Okay, so, see, she's back. I brought for Mama and babies. She's like, oh dear. I brought some chick starter for the little chickies. And I have one of these dispensers. And I filled it up nice and full. And so now the mama hen, she usually scratches. That's what mom hens do. They just kind of like scratch the dirt and then they show the chicks what to eat. And so if I just put the chick starter into an open dish, the hen would probably scratch it all over and be lost in the ground. But I have it in this little dispenser so that she can't really scratch at it. I'm going to see if they come. Lots of times with chicks, tapping will bring them. But mama hen's coming too. I'll back up and see if she comes closer. And they make a certain noise when they're calling the chicks. If she finds that food, she should call them. I see the babies in the side. Oh, Mama. She's not quite sure what that is. She's more probably worried about us, thinking that we're danger. So I'm going to move this where she can see it a little easier. See if she'll come. It's a little farther away from us. See if she'll check it out. She's like, I'm not a chick. Come on, Mama. There's food for your babies. You need to show them. She likes eating grass. I'm not thinking that they want to eat grass yet. And sometimes farm animals don't do quite what you think that they should do. So I'm going to just put it back into its little spot where she can't really dump everything out and spray it all over the place. And we'll just close up the little coop here and let her find it and show them. We made this little chicken coop a few years ago, and it works pretty handy for times like now that you just need a little spot for the hen. That's just a safe spot. So we'll just leave them for a bit and let them do their thing. I'll see once the feeder starts getting emptier that she's been eating it, and so that they have also been eating it too.